Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Edge 540. In this video I'll show you how to manage routing settings. In the beginning, let's go to Garmin menu and go to Activity Profiles. Select your profile, enter Navigation and go to Routing. Here you can enable popularity routing, change routing mode, change calculation method, enable log on route, manage avoidances, course recalculation, route recalculation, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.